So friends, as in the aphorism number 9 and 10, we have seen about the vital principle, vital force, their properties, their dynamic actions, and how they are responsible to maintain the health of that human being. How they are going to maintain the life of that person, how they are going to animate the human being. These properties, they are the dynamic properties, and as they are responsible for the maintenance of health in the human being, in the aphorism number 11, we will see about the person if he is becoming sick or he is becoming ill. The sickness or the illness, we know as it is the manifestation of some of the discomforts which are present in the human being. Means in any person he is having discomfort in his daily routine, in his healthy life he has becoming some uneasiness or discomfort. He is showing those complaints. They are called as sickness or illness. And why this sick condition or ill condition it is coming in that human being, that we will see. As in the previous aphorism we have seen about the health which is maintained by vital force or vital principle. They are the dynamic properties. Now we will see in this aphorism number 11 how the person he is becoming sick or illness, or in short there is the name, it is we term as a disease. And this disease, how it is coming there, when the vital force which we have seen, it is the main factor to maintain the health. This vital force when it is deranged, vital force when it is deranged by dynamic influences. Vital force itself, it is a dynamic property, and to derange this dynamic property, the another dynamic property it is responsible to make the derangement. This dynamic influence, it is of morbific agent. Means the properties of the vital force, they are dynamic, they are maintaining the health. To disturb these dynamic properties of vital force, there is necessity of dynamic influence of morbific agent. Morbific agents means they are the substances which can make the injurious effects, which can make the harmful effects to the human being, and these influences they are also dynamic. As these morbific agents, the substance which are making the person as sick, they are going to produce dynamic influence in the vital force. The vital force it is deranged, means the dynamic properties of the vital force they are deranged, and after the derangement of the vital force there are irregular processes in the organism. These irregular processes, where they are coming? These are coming in the routine of that patient, they are coming in the sensations and functions of the body. Means as in the health we have seen the vital force it is going to maintain the sensations and functions. Here after the derangement of the vital force, these sensations and functions they are getting disturbed, they are having irregular processes, and when these irregular processes they are coming in that human being, that we will call as a disease. This disease it is recognized by some morbid symptoms. Morbid symptoms, they are the disease manifestations which we call as a signs and symptoms which we are going to observe in the human being. And these sensations and functions, as they are deranged, their processes they have been disturbed, they are going to produce morbid symptoms that we will call as a disease. And this disease it is because of the derangement of the vital force in the healthy human being, and these are felt by the observation of the homeopathic physicians and these are felt by that human being himself as abnormal things in him. That's all. Thank you.